Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fantastic push-up workout routine that's perfect for beginners. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the classic Master the Basics Beginner's Push-Up Workout Routine. Let me tell you, this workout is as simple as it gets, and it's a great way to kick off your fitness journey. Now, here's how it works. Start with 20 reps of traditional push-ups. That might sound like a lot, but trust me, you can do it. After that, take a 1-minute break. Once you're ready to continue, move on to 20 reps of knee push-ups. Finally, wrap up with 20 reps of wall push-ups. That's it for today's workout. Remember, consistency is key. Try to aim for 3 days a week. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and want to see more content like this. And as always, thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome workouts and tips.